wouldn't say a major change. I do ride more further trips.
Definitely ride more around town.
Pretty much ride anywhere with it. I run errands with it. I go on cruises with it.
Yeah, it changed it and it gives me the freedom. I don't drive my car anymore.
Just making it a little more enjoyable, a little easier.
I don't even consider a highway a problem at all. It made my adventure circle larger. I can go anywhere.
Actually, whether if it's rainy or something, I will tend to take the DCT. It just seems it's upright. It seems a little easier to handle the wet roads and everything.
You don't have to think about shifting gears, so I think in a sense it almost makes it somewhat safer. I'm looking forward to going new places with this bike.
Just it takes me to places I'd otherwise not get to see.
It's changed in small ways. I ride more often. I spend a little bit more time with my dad. It's really one of my favorite things in the whole world to do.
Gosh, shucks.
And I wouldn't say anything life-changing other than just having a new bike.